This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone so diagnostics are reliable. Charge it to at least 20%, remove the case and any SD or SIM trays, and back up crucial data quickly. Once done, perform a soft restart by holding power plus volume for about 10 seconds. This clears temporary glitches that make phones loop power cycles. You do this because temporary firmware hangs or runaway apps often cause repeated reboots, and a restart gives the system a clean state to test whether the problem persists. Next, boot into safe mode so you can isolate whether third-party apps are causing the reboot loop. This disables non-system apps and lets you observe stability. If the phone stays on, uninstall recent or heavy apps one at a time. Start with battery-intensive or recently installed apps, because misbehaving apps often crash the system. Also check for system updates and free at least 1 GB of storage, since low space and outdated firmware can create kernel panics that force repeated restarts. If software steps fail, back up everything and perform a factory reset to eliminate corrupted system files. You do this as a last software resort because it restores original firmware. Once reset, if the problem continues, inspect the battery and charging port for swelling, loose connectors, or debris, and consider a certified battery replacement since failing batteries cause intermittent power loss. Finally, if reboots persist after battery swap, seek authorized repair. Board-level faults or shorted components need professional diagnostics and solder-level fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.